Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming compatibility. Check that your phone supports Qi wireless charging and that the pad matches that standard. Next, plug the pad into a wall adapter rated for 515W. Slow phone ports may not supply enough current. Once done, remove thick or metal cases because they block coils, and place the charger on a flat, stable surface to prevent misalignment. Make sure indicator lights are visible so you can tell when the pad has power. Then bring your phone close to begin alignment. You now align the phone over the charger so the device's internal coil meets the pad's coil, often the camera or logo marks center. Slowly lower the phone and pause. If the LED changes and the phone shows a charging icon, you've achieved correct placement. If it doesn't, slide the phone a few millimeters while watching both indicators. Make sure you avoid magnetic mounts or cards between surfaces because they can prevent power transfer. Also monitor temperature. If it heats quickly, reposition to improve. If you finish by leaving the phone centered on the pad until the battery reaches your target percent, checking periodically to confirm it's charging steadily. Once charging, make sure high drain apps are closed to improve speed and consider a higher watt adapter if charging is slow. If it fails to charge, try one key troubleshooting step. Swap the USB cable and adapter to verify the pad has power. If that doesn't help, restart your phone, remove the case, or test another wireless pad to isolate the problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.